the unique features of the WES system is our dust resistant smoke detectors. We're aware that the WES system is installed in challenging environments where the risk of false alarms due to dust and dirt is high. Our dust resistant smoke detector helps mitigate that problem, and what we're going to do now is try and show you just how effective the dust resistant smoke detector is. I'm going to try and activate this detector using dust and flour and show you the results. So as you can see, we've given this smoke detector a real good test there and blown lots of construction dust into the sensor, and so far we've had no activations. But just to prove to you it is actually working, I'm going to now activate it with some canned smoke.